Alrighty, y'all. We've just got our Oscar Mayer wieners along with our chili and our diced bell peppers right here under our shovel. Now, I did line this in foil because there was some concern last time about us using the shovel here. And so we're just doing it this quick, easy, healthy way, lining the shovel in foil before we put it on our flames. So far, I've just started with our basic seasonings. We've got ketchup and mustard along with some diced garlic. And I am coming in right now with a little bit of soy sauce. That looks great. Because we've got that soy sauce, I am just gonna add in some light brown sugar here. Sprinkle that all over. That looks great. Beautiful. This is gonna be such a delicious, easy meal. Alrighty, y'all. Now I do have a fire safety glove, safety product. As you can see, I've got my scissors here. I'm just coming in, giving some snips of my hot dogs. Snip, 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 snip. Now you could always use little smokies. You won't need to snip them down because they'll be already the right size. Or as the new kids on the block would say, the right stuff. But we're just making a quick, easy campfire dinner here. And you know what's so fun about this is we are already getting the smoked meat flavor that we love and we want from this easy dish. And I'm just gonna, look at that chili already heated up, ready to come out. Now I do have my pre-cooked spaghetti. Of course you can cook this ahead of time on your fire before you do your meat. The meat is kind of the last thing because it goes so quickly. And I did just put some olive oil here on my spaghetti to kind of keep it from clumping. It looks a little clumpy, but I think it's separating up nicely actually. And we are just gonna do a tossy, tossy, tossy here. Toss, toss. All right, we just got one thing left to do here. I'm gonna add my cheese on top. Don't wanna drop that in there. I'm just gonna do that real quick. It's gonna melt up because this is nice and hot. You could always top this with a little bit of green onion or anything like that to make it a little bit fancier. Add some different spices, but I think this is gonna be so delicious as is. I'm just giving that cheese a tiny mix in with our chili and our hot dogs. I love an Oscar Mayer wiener. And this is such a fun way to do it with your family, whether you're camping, you're on the road, or you're camping in your backyard. Y'all, we absolutely love this. Let me grab some of my spaghetti here. Ooh, this is gonna be so flavorful with that soy sauce. Y'all, this is so good. You've got to try it.